Hi friends. So today I'm going to make a combination of lentils. One is yellow lentils and the other one is green lentils. They look orange on the camera screen, but they are actually called as yellow lentils or masoor lentils. And these one are green lentils. They are called as green lentils and they look green. Just you're going to use an onion, ginger garlic paste. I'm going to use one full green chili, one, two, three, four um, dry, long red chili pepper. I'm going to use some fresh dill. I'm going to use some fresh coriander, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's pretty much it. So in order to make this dish, you have to soak these lentils combined in a bowl with lukewarm water, no salt, no chemicals, nothing, for at least 3 hours. Wash them and then soak them for at least 3 hours. And we'll come back when 3 hours are up. So I have washed the lentils and I have put the lentils in a pot, and I have put the sliced onions, and I have put four red chili pepper dried, and I have put 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Look at these lentils. I'm gonna let them boil for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour, so they are all nicely done. No salt, no pepper, nothing as of yet. And we'll come back when it's done. So halfway through, the lentils, they look like this. So the yellow ones have boiled almost all the way. The green ones have also boiled, but I want a little more. Coming along just nicely. So halfway through my boiling period, I have added some dill, fresh dill, to get some that nice color and the flavor. I'm going to mix it in and let it cook for another half an hour. And I have added my green chili. After half an hour, I added a quarter teaspoon of red chili powder and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. That's it. And now, at this moment, I'm gonna add my secret ingredient. My secret ingredient is rooster coconut milk. Ideal for cooking. Half a cup-ish. That's gonna smooth everything up. Now all that remains is a bit of tadka. So for tadka, I'm going to use my cumin seeds and oil, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final condition of my lentils. I'm going to show you. See how nicely it is done? It's just the right texture, just the right thickness, not too much water and not too less water. Steaming on. Now I'm going to add the fried cumin seeds and the oil, and then it's ready. This is the method of my tadka. I just put cumin seeds in a frying pan. That's it. Let it boil. Oh, sorry, not boil. So this is my method of the tadka. I put my cumin seeds in a frying pan, and I'm gonna let it fry. Once it's fried, I'm gonna add it to my lentils. So my cumin seeds have changed the color. They are ready, and I'm gonna introduce them to my lentils. That's all there is to it. And once it's added, people say that you should not stir it, but I don't mind. Once it's added, people say that you should not stir it, but I don't mind. I kind of like to mix my tadka with all of my lentils so that it incorporates very well. It's ready and it's done. It looks gorgeous. I hope you would have liked my recipe and give it a try. It's very simple.